In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in your Hootsuite account. Adjusting the time zone settings is crucial for managing your social media posts effectively, ensuring that your content is published at optimal times for your target audience. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. Firstly, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, type Hootsuite into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. Go ahead and click on the official Hootsuite website to proceed. Now that you're on the Hootsuite homepage, it's time to log in. Click on the Login button, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials to access your Hootsuite account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the correct one to make these adjustments. Once you have successfully logged into your account, you will find yourself on your Hootsuite dashboard. On the left side panel of this dashboard, look for your profile icon. It might be a circle with your photo or initials, if you've set one. Click on this profile icon to open a drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Profile. Clicking here will take you to a new page dedicated to your account settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page, as it holds various options for customizing your Hootsuite experience. Now, scroll down the page until you discover the time zone section. It might take a few seconds to find, so keep scrolling gently until you see it. This is where you can adjust your time zone settings to align with your location. Once you locate the time zone section, you should see a drop-down menu that lists all the available time zone options. Click on this menu, which allows you to choose your desired time zone from the list. Carefully find and select the time zone that matches your geographical location or the time zone that best fits your social media strategy. After you've selected the appropriate time zone, look for the Save Account Info button. It's crucial to click this button to ensure all your changes are saved. This will apply your new time zone settings, making sure your Hootsuite activity reflects the correct time. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated your time zone settings in Hootsuite. Keeping your time zone current helps with scheduling, consistency, and reaching your audience more effectively. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime you need to make further adjustments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.